Welcome to a weeboo. Nature is filled with breathtaking beauty, but within its grandeur lies a harsh reality. The animals, strong and adaptable, must constantly navigate a world where danger lurks at every corner. A single misstep can cost them everything, whether they are predators or prey. The cruelty of nature is evident when life and death hang in the balance, sometimes determined by the smallest of mistakes. This is exactly what we are about to witness today. We all know that you should never go into full hero mode, but this little chick did exactly that. Jumping off a cliff to catch up with its parents, even though it couldn't even fly yet. As it tumbled down, it hit the rocks repeatedly. But luckily, it was too light to suffer serious injury. Let's hope the chick is safe. In a moment of desperation, a cow tried to cross a steep mountain slope, but its hooves couldn't grip the slippery ground. The world seemed to slow as it lost its balance, falling freely into the deep abyss below. The fall was quick and brutal, taking its life instantly. A single wrong, a tragic reminder of the harshness of nature. Oh, my! Convincing an animal not to jump is harder than convincing a person to slip off a cliff. The cameraman tried to distract the deer from making a deadly leap, but the deer completely ignored it. What do you think is going through the deer's mind? Maybe it's thinking, damn it. Or maybe it knows too much about the government and thinks people don't want to know.